Hey, the love of God has got me clean. No old spice. That
I was in was deep, so dry, but now I'm hot and feeling free, so fly. I'm chilling in the shade. That gave me some lemon, but my Jesus, he be making lemonade. That's challenge, guys. That is the dance. In case you are new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. Yeah, this dance is dance challenges, guys, for you guys to see. Now, the first step in this challenge, the first step in this tutorial is that I love. First of all, pour the drink.
hey,
They must like me. So you guys pour the drink.
hey.
The next thing you'll do, you will say the love of God. It's the love. Demonstrate your hand like love. Love shape, as you can see, guys. You want like this. Love. You can see, guys, love. So it's something like that. So it's the love of God. The love of God. Listen, guys. The love of God has got me clean, dude. Listen, guys. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Brrr. The love of God has got me clean, though. I sing, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean. Has got me clean. I sing, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God. The love of God has got me clean, no. Oh, spice. Oh, spice. I think, guys, it's the oh, spice. You smell both sides of your arms, guys. Both sides of your arms, guys. Smell it. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got. The love of God has got me clean, no. Oh, spice. I follow you. Let's do one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean, no. Oh, spice. Let's guys, I sing, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean, the oh spice. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean, the oh spice. So the next step nice to do. That days that I was in was deep, so dry. So let's go, guys. Next step is 1, 2, 3. So that is just to demonstrate. That days that I was in was deep. This time was deep. So dry. Listen, guys. So dry. Just have to follow me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the start. The love of God has got me clean. No. Oh, spy. No. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean. No. Oh, spy. That days that I was in was deep. So dry. See, I think, guys, I follow me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below for me. Let's go. So it's something like that days that I was deep, so dry. So dry. See, your hands coming down, guys. So coming down. So dry. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6. Start. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean, no. Oh, spy, that days that I was in was deep, so dry, so dry, guys, so dry. That days that I was in was deep, so dry. And next we'll do is, once I've done it so dry, next we'll do this. But now I'm feeling in the freeze, I'm free. Nice. But now I'm chilling in the free, so fly. That's one guys. So it's, but now I'm feeling in the free. So fly. So let's go. Let me start to the next step. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean, though. Oh, spy. That is that I was in was deep. So dive. But now I'm chilling in the wind. So fly. Listen, guys. But now I'm chilling in the wind. But I'm out here chilling in the wind. So fly. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean, though. Oh, spy. But I'm sorry, guys. I just in the mood. Everyone start. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean. The old spy that days that I was in was deep, so dry, but now I'm out here feeling free, so fly. So what you do when I'm out here feeling free, so fly? You fly like this, guys. You just put up your hands and feel like an helicopter. Just fly, guys. Are you feeling, guys? Are you feeling me, guys? Let's go one more time. When we start. That love of God has got me clean. The old spy that days that I was in was deep, so down, but now I'm out there feeling free, so fly, free, so fly, guys. So while I'm out here, I'm feeling free, so fly. So just fly like the wind, guys. Just fly like the wind, guys. That's what you have to do. While I'm out here feeling free, so fly. I'm chilling. Then next step, I thought I want to do that one. Next step is I'm chilling in the shade. Just demonstrate. I'm chilling in the street. I'm chilling in the shade. Life gave me some lemon, but my Jesus, he be making lemonade. Listen, guys. Please, don't do. I'm chilling in the shade. Life gave me some lemon, but my Jesus, he be making lemonade. Please, 1, 2, 3, and lemonade. So it's 1, 2, 3, lemonade. Listen, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8 from the start. 5, 6, 7 from the start. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. The love of God has got me free now. Those spies. Sorry. Let's go from that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean. No old spy. That days that I was in was deep, so down. But now I'm feeling. In the free, so fly. I'm chilling in the shade. Life gave me some lemon, but my Jesus, he be making lemonade. So that is it, guys. That is it for this dance tutorial, guys. Let's do one more time. For you guys to see. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. The love of God has got me clean. No old spice. First, that days that I was in was deep, so dry, but now I'm out here feeling free, so fly. I'm chilling in the shade. Life gave me some lemon, but my Jesus, he be making lemonade. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching up to this extent. Thank you for watching up to this point. Kindly subscribe down below. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and let's dance some lemonade with Jesus, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here, and sayonara.